Valentine's celebration for the personnel of the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group. On Hearts Day, they are on heightened alert, closely monitoring online for incidents of so-called love scams. According to PNP ACG spokesperson, Police Lieutenant Wallen Arancillo, they have already documented 8 scam cases since January. Last year, they recorded a total of 72. Most victims are between the ages of 21 and 30, but even senior citizens have fallen prey to these schemes. Love scams are most commonly carried out on social media, particularly on Facebook, Telegram, and Instagram.
Ang nakita po natin dito kung bakit mas maraming kabataan ang nabibiktima ng love scam ay sila po ang laging nakatutok sa mga social media and dito din po sa mga dating apps or mga dating sites. And also po, ang kadalasan nangyayari kasi po dito, mas mapapaniwala po sila ng mga cyber criminals na ito kasi nga sabi nga nila naive pa yung mga ganitong edad, mas madaling napapaniwala dun sa promises ng mga scammers na ito. And also naman po sa mga 76 years old and above or 71 years old and above, ang nangyayari naman po dito, sila naman po yung hindi masyado.
The usual modus operandi of love scammers is to make their victims fall in love, gaining their trust and affection before carrying out the scam. They often pose as retired U.S. Army personnel or professionals with high-paying jobs abroad. Once they establish a relationship with the victim, they convince them that they are sending a package. The catch? The victim is asked to pay customs and delivery fees only to later find out that the package never existed. Another common scheme involves scammers persuading victims to invest in cryptocurrency. Last year, the biggest amount stolen from a single victim through a love scam reached over 600,000 Philippine pesos. To avoid falling for these scams, PNP ACG warns the public to watch out for red flags.
Alalahanin po natin sa panahon ngayon, hindi po lahat ng nagsasabi ng I love you ay totoo. Ang iba po dito ay iba yung intensyon. Kaya mag-ingat po tayo sa mga social media interactions po natin since po ang mga scammers na ito ay gumagamit lang ng dummy accounts para makapanloko at makapag-glean lang ng kapwa.
For those who have fallen victim to love scams or any other cybercrimes, you may seek assistance from the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Unit or report to the nearest police station in your area. Francis Polbe, Billionario News Channel.